To fix a Frigidaire fridge freezer that is not cooling, start by understanding the possible causes of the issue. The most common reasons include faulty temperature sensors, malfunctioning compressors, clogged air vents, and refrigerant leaks. Begin by checking the temperature settings to ensure they are set correctly. Next, inspect the air vents for any blockages, such as ice or food particles, and clean them if necessary. If the issue persists, check the condenser coils at the back of the fridge for dust and dirt accumulation. Clean the coils using a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to improve airflow. It is also essential to check the door seals for any signs of wear or damage. Replace the seals if necessary to prevent warm air from entering the fridge and freezer. Compartments. Another critical step is to inspect the evaporator fan, which circulates cold air throughout the fridge and freezer. If the fan is not working, the fridge and freezer will not cool properly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to check the compressor, which is the heart of the fridge's cooling system. A faulty compressor can prevent the fridge and freezer from cooling, and it may need to be replaced by a professional technician. To prevent future issues, regularly clean the condenser coils, check the door seals, and ensure proper airflow around the fridge. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix a Frigidaire fridge freezer that is not cooling, saving you time and money in the process.